In this video, I will show you how you can send the automated WhatsApp message and SMS to your Facebook leads. And this message is not going to be a simple text message. I will also show you how you can attach any kind of media as well as two call to action button along with your message. Like in this particular video, I have sent this PDF file, basically my product brochure along with the message. Want to learn how you can also automate this SMS and WhatsApp message sending process? Watch this video till end and I will show you everything step by step, and believe me, any non-technical person can also create this automation very easily. So I'm taking an example that I'm running some jewelry store for which I'm also running ads on my Facebook page, and for the lead generation I have also created this Facebook lead ad form. Now the idea here is, as soon as the user will land on my ad and will submit this lead generation form, a message should be sent automatically on his WhatsApp number as well as the SMS should be sent. Now to send these WhatsApp messages, I will use this Wati application, which is an amazing application because it has the access of official WhatsApp business API. If you are not sure how you can reach out to Wati or how you can create an account, I will attach a separate video in my description box from where you can learn what is this Wati all about and how you can create an account. And in place of Wati, you can also go with the applications like AI Sensi or Interact or any other WhatsApp message sending application. And for sending the SMS, the text messages, I will use this Twilio application. And again, in place of Twilio, you can also go with other SMS application. And in order to automate this whole process, this complete process, we will have to build a connection, build an integration in our Facebook lead ad form, in this Wati application and in this Twilio application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software using which I am going to connect these applications and going to automate my task. Okay, I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button. And in the free account, you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now, once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as send automated WhatsApp message and SMS to Facebook leads. Now it is asking to select the folder in which you want to create your automation workflow. So I'm selecting this main workflow folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find two boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever my Facebook lead ad form is submitted via any user, the message should be sent automatically on his WhatsApp number. So for sending the WhatsApp, remember I have told you that I am going to use Wati application, so that is why in this action application I am selecting the same. And further, I also want to send the SMS automatically, so again I will click on this plus icon and will add one more action step, and here I will select the application that is Twilio. Okay, in place of Twilio you can also go with other SMS application. Here you can notice lot of SMS applications are already integrated inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, but according to my use case, I'll go with the same, that is Twilio. Okay, so in this way, by clicking on this plus icon, you can add many action steps and connect different business applications and automate complex business processes. Okay, so now the idea here is I will be connecting these three applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's connect our Facebook lead ad form with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly, I will select the trigger event for that is new lead instead. You can also read the instructions. Triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead generation form associated to your Facebook page. Okay, so I have selected the same, and as soon as you do that, a button is provided that is connect. Click on that that, click on add a new connection and then click on this button, and then it will ask you the access of your Facebook account in which you have created your Facebook lead generation form. But because I'm already logged in my Facebook account, so it has detected that access already and automatically, and in this way the authorization is successful and my Facebook lead ad account is connected with Pabbly Connect immediately. Okay, and because we are connected, here you can notice whatever the pages are available in my Facebook account has started visible here. Okay, so this is my pages section of Facebook. Okay, this is Pabbly Connect page, the shoe store page, ABC welding solution, all these pages are visible here. Okay, but currently I'll go with which particular page? The jewelry store. You will have to assume that I'm running ads on this specific page, so that is why I will be selecting the same, that is the jewelry store. Okay, so I have selected the same, and as soon as I do that, whatever the lead generation forms are already available in this page will started visible here. Okay, so give me a second, I'll show you everything. Okay, so here you can notice 3 forms are already visible, basically 2 forms are there. Okay, let me even show you that this is my Facebook page. Firstly, I'll open the Meta Business Suite of this jewelry store. Okay, this is Meta Business Suite. After that, from this left hand side, select this all tools section and then directly scroll down and go to this instant form section. In this way you can reach out to the lead generation form section, and here you can notice these 2 forms are there, and I am about to work upon this jewelry shop form. Okay, let me even show you this form. Okay, clicking on this arrow button, and here I'm collecting only 3 information: the full name, phone number and email from my lead. And once I have this data, I will send a brochure over WhatsApp. Basically I'm going to connect the phone number, the WhatsApp number from this lead generation form. For now I'm closing this page, coming back to the Pabbly Connect dashboard, and let me select the same form, that is this jewelry shop. Okay, so I have selected the same, clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that it will start waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so first to read this note, important note, please note that after clicking the save and send test button, you will need to generate a sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on this preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Okay, so because I'm not running any live ads on my Facebook page, I will be using the Facebook lead ad testing tool to generate a sample lead, the sample submission. Okay, basically it is asking to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here as the webhook response. Okay, so let me do the same. For that I am going to search for the Facebook lead ad testing tool, or instead of going on Google, you can also directly click on this learn more option, and here you will find the Facebook lead ad testing tool. And again telling you, you can also search this Facebook lead ad testing tool from Google. Okay, so this is the link, I have selected the same, and here you will notice whatever the pages are available, the same pages are visible, will be visible here also. Let me search for the same, that is my jewelry store page. Okay, give me a second. Alright, so this is my page, and as soon as I select the page, again whatever the forms are available will visible here, and from this preview form button you can preview the same Facebook lead generation form and generate a test lead. And the same page is already opened in this tab. Okay, basically in this tab. Okay, so I will be closing for now this particular page, and how about I submit the same form using the same dummy details. Okay, the full name is going to be dummy user, this is going to be a dummy phone number and this dummy email address. Clicking on this next button, and as soon as the submission is done, here you will notice that the same form details will be received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, fingers crossed, waiting for the response. And here you can notice the response is received. Let me even show you the details one by one. Here we have the same name of the person, the same phone number of the lead, even the same email address. We also have the created time. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between a Facebook lead ad form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time someone will submit my Facebook lead generation form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly. instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done, okay, which was capturing the lead data here inside dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now I am going to send the WhatsApp message to the very same lead. Okay, so for that I have already selected the application, that is Wati, and just like we have connected Facebook lead ad form with Pabbly Connect, now I will be connecting this Wati with the Pabbly Connect. So selecting the action event, that is send a template message. Now what is this template message all about? I will show you everything about it. For now, simply click on this connect button, click on add a new connection, and for the connection it will ask you the API endpoint and access token. Okay, so you can get the following details from this Wati dashboard. Okay, here I am assuming that you already have created your account in Wati and have logged in Wati dashboard. Now simply click on this webhook option. No, I'm really sorry, not on this webhooks. You'll have to click on this API docs section, and from here you can get the access token. So I'm copying the same in front of you and pasting the same here, asking for the API endpoint as well. So give me a second, let me copy the same, that is API endpoint. Okay, so I have provided both the details. Clicking on the save button, and in this way my Wati account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so before we provide any detail here to compose and send the WhatsApp message, let me take you to the dashboard of Wati and will show you what is this template and will explain you what is this template. Okay, so whenever you are using some official API of WhatsApp for sending the WhatsApp messages, you will always have to firstly create a new template, get it approved via parent company of WhatsApp, that is Meta, and then only you will be able to initiate the conversation with your customers, clients and users. How you can create this template, again I will attach a separate video on the same, on this template creation process. You can watch that video, create a template, get the approval for the same, and then come back again to this video. Even a tutorial is provided here also. Okay, so in this case, for sending the brochure to my Facebook leads, I have created and approved this message template. Okay, so the name of my message template is this general WhatsApp template. The category I have selected as marketing, the language I have selected is English, and in this broadcast title, because I wanted to attach the media also, so I have selected this media here instead of text, and in this media we have three options, so I have selected the document. You can even see the preview of the same message from this right hand side. Okay, this is the preview of my message. Now scrolling down, and firstly it will ask you to provide the link of the document, video or image, basically whatever you are sending here, or if you want you can also keep the same thing as dynamic. Basically if you want something to be changed automatically based on the form submission, you can keep your header thing into the form of variable. Now what is this variable? Simply add two curly braces and provide a name, and in this way this variable will be created, and variables will vary as per the form submission according to the form submission, and if you will provide anything manually here, that will remain same. Okay, so this is the different. Scrolling down more, and here you can find the same message. Again you must be thinking, what are these curly braces packed with the values? Okay, so whatever the values I want to keep on changing automatically, I have kept those values in the form of variable, and whatever the values I do not want to keep on changing, I have added them manually. And you can even do the formatting of your message from here, and there is a word limit also in this particular message. And why this template message creation is important? Because we are going to use the same template message to send the message to all our users, to multiple users. Okay, so that is why variable are also important in order to execute this process automatically. Okay, here the footer option is also provided, but I have not included any, and here I have also attached two buttons. Want to learn how you can also attach the buttons along with your message? Again you can check the video which I have already attached into my description box, or I will also attach the same video link into this I button. Okay, and lastly you will have to provide the sample content. This is just a sample, a dummy content. Basically, you are telling the system that what values may come in place of the above variables, and in this way you can create your whole message template and submit it for the approval. And the parent company of WhatsApp Meta is going to take few minutes or maybe few hours or 1 to 2 days, and after that your template will be approved. Okay, for now I am going to copy the name of my template, that is this general WhatsApp message template. Okay, so I have copied the same. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and right now I am assuming that you already created your WhatsApp message template in Wati or maybe in other WhatsApp message application, and you have already got the approval, and now you are here. Okay, so firstly you will have to provide the number of the lead. So the interesting thing is, I'm not going to manually copy the number from this data and paste below again and again for every new lead. I am going to map this phone number, which will replace this phone number automatically when our automation will work in real time. And how mapping can be performed? Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply select that data, and in this way your details will be mapped. And again telling you, whatever the details you will map here will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. But whatever the details we will select here manually or via from drop down, these details will remain same. Okay, so I have already copied the name of the template, but all the templates are showing in this drop down, so I'm selecting the same template of which I have got the approval from here, asking for the broadcast name. Okay, so here I will define some random name, something like sending brochure on WhatsApp. Okay, before that I will have to correct the spelling. Alright, so now it is looking good. Now here comes the most interesting part of this Wati application, that is providing the values to our variables. Yes, we will have to define from the Pabbly Connect only that what values should come in place of these variables, that too automatically. Well, it is very easy. Firstly, count that how many variables you have inside your message template. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 variables in my message template, so I will be copying this particular thing 4 number of times. Okay, so I have pasted the same first time, then second time, then third time, and then 4 time. Okay, make sure that you remove these extra spaces. All right, so I have done that. In the instruction also you can notice there is no 2 extra spaces, just 1 extra space. Okay, after that you will have to provide the name of the variable and the value of this variable, how and from where. So in front of name you will have to provide the name of the variable, and in front of value you will have to provide the value of the variable. Okay, so firstly I'm copying the first variable name, that is this PDF. Okay, so my first variable name is PDF and the value of this PDF should be the brochure link. Okay, so from where I will add this brochure link, don't worry, I have already prepared the link of my brochure here. Let me show you the same. Let me even open the same. This is a jewelry catalog, basically a PDF file. In place of PDF file you can also attach any other document like a video or something else. Okay, currently I'm closing this document, coming back, and let me paste the same link here. And reminding you this thing once again, that whatever the details you will provide here manually will remain same. So basically what will happen, the same brochure link will be sent to all your Facebook leads. Okay, this brochure will not vary. Okay, now here comes the turn of the second variable. So we have the second variable as this name. Okay, so I have copied the name of my variable, and again in place of this color I will be pasting the name of my second variable, and in place of the value of color I will be adding the name of the customer, name of the lead, the actual lead. Okay, so again I'm not going to copy the name of the lead, but I'm going to map from here. So whatever the details we will map will be replaced automatically. Now here comes the third variable, that is this company name. Okay, give me a second, let me copy and paste the same here. Again the name here will be this variable name, that is this company name. I think it has not copied yet, give me a second. Let me once again copy this thing, copy this variable name and paste the same here. Alright, so I have pasted the same, and in place of company name, well, again the company name is something which will not vary as per the submission. This is going to remain same, so I can provide this value manually. So how about I provide the name as this jewelry designs and jewelry store. Okay, give me a second. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and I have pasted the same. Okay, now it's turn for the fourth variable, that is going to be the brochure name. Okay, how about I check that what exactly I have added in my message in the example message. Meanwhile, you can check our jewelry brochure. Okay, well, I have attached this brochure twice, so this time I will make sure that I do not do the same mistake. First of all, I am going to copy this variable name, that is this jewelry designs. Coming back, let me paste the same here. Well, I will have to remove this extra C also, and in place of this blue color I will provide the details. Okay, give me a second. I think I have not deleted the previous value which was color. Okay, so give me a second. I think this is looking good. How it will appear, jewelry designs, and after that this brochure will come here automatically. Okay, so I think I have provided all the details. Make sure that you do not include any extra column in the end of the variable, in the last variable. Okay, so how about I click on this button, but before that I will have to replace this number with my genuine WhatsApp number. This was the dummy number. Now I will add a genuine number, and then I will show you how messages can be sent. And kindly read the instruction also, that enter valid WhatsApp number with country code without plus sign. Okay, in this particular way. Okay, and before that I will also delete this existing message in front of you, so that I can show you everything from scratch. Okay, so coming back to the dashboard, give me a second. Let me provide the number. So I have provided the number, clicked on this button save and send test request, and waiting for the message to be received. And here you can notice response is also received, and here you can notice the desktop notification that the message is arrived. Let me open the same, and did you notice that jewelry catalog has been attached here automatically? Let me download the same in front of you, so that I can show you whether it is the same document, the same PDF file or not. Hello dummy user, thanks for showing interest in designs. Alright, it has opened. Let me save it. Yes, you can send the brochure, that can be downloaded also. Okay, so this was my PDF file. Alright, it is the same jewelry catalog. Closing it for now. Coming back here, hello dummy user. So did you notice how the name of the lead has been added here automatically? Thanks for showing interest in. I'm really sorry I have not added this S. I have missed this S while creating my message template. So make sure whenever you create a WhatsApp message template, you review it very carefully and properly, and after that only you submit for the approval. Alright, so for now I'll go with the same. Thanks for showing interest in designs and jewelry store. Basically, the name of the company has added here automatically. Someone from our team will call you shortly in next 24 hours and will listen all your requirements. Meanwhile, you can check our jewelry designs brochure given as the attachment with this message. Thank you, and this is the link of the website, that is jewelry shop. Alright, here you can notice, yes, it is redirecting me to the correct place. Closing it for now, and from here your users, your lead can also call you. Okay, for now I am closing it. So I hope you have understood that how you can send the automated WhatsApp message to your Facebook leads. And again telling you, in this particular video I have taken an example of this Wati, but in place of Wati you can also use any other WhatsApp message application like Interact or AI Sensei or etc. Okay, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and moving further, now I will show you how you can send the SMS to your Facebook leads instantly. Okay, so the application is already selected. Selecting the action event, that is send SMS, clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection again it will ask you the account SID 2 times and authorization token 1 time. Okay, so here again I'm assuming that you have already created a free account in Twilio. Yes, you can create a free account in Twilio and test the SMS sending process. Scrolling down, and here only you will find all the details, that is the account SID. Okay, let me copy and paste the same at both the places. Further it is asking for the authorization token, so this is the token. Let me again copy and paste the same here, clicking on save, and in this way my Twilio account will be also connected with Pabbly Connect. And firstly it will ask you for the body of the SMS. Yes, from here only you can compose the SMS which you would like to send, and here you will have to provide the sender as well as the recipient number. Well, recipient number is going to be the number of the lead, which again we can map from this drop down. Alright, so currently I have added the dummy number, but don't worry, again I will replace this number before I click on this button asking for the sender number. Well, we can get this sender number from the Twilio application. Alright, so I have copied and pasted the same here, asking for the body of the SMS. Okay, so give me a second. I have already prepared a small text and SMS for sending it. Okay, so how about I directly copy the same. Let me paste first here also so that I can remove all the extra formatting. Now I will be pasting the same here, and give me a second. Let me also correct the formatting of this SMS. So I have composed the whole message, but in place of this manual name of the customer, I will be mapping the name of the customer of the lead from here. Thank you for showing interest in design and jewelry. So someone from our team will contact you shortly, and this is the same tags. And here you can notice I have also attached my jewelry catalog link. Now let me click on this button, but before that I will have to replace this dummy number with my genuine one. Okay, and you can again read the instruction from here, basically the example of the number. Alright, so I have provided the number, clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response, and here you can notice the positive response is received. That means the message has been sent, basically the SMS has been sent. Give me a second, let me cross check the screenshot and upload the same here. So this is the screenshot of the SMS which I have just received on my phone number. Hello dummy user, thank you for showing interest in designs and jewelry store. Someone from our team will call you shortly in next 24 hours and will listen all your requirements. Meanwhile, you can check our jewelry design brochure. Thank you. Okay, so in this way, with the help of this Pabbly Connect automation software, you can automate the process of sending the SMS and WhatsApp message to your Facebook leads instantly and automatically. Yes, you just need to firstly create accounts in the following application, basically in the application of sending the SMS, in the application of sending the WhatsApp messages, and after that simply connect all these applications with the help of this integration software Pabbly Connect. And once this automation is ready, after that you can even close Pabbly Connect, sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Yes, every time a new lead is arriving, the messages as well as the SMS will be sent automatically. And just in case if you want to access this 3-step automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.